How to fix Cricut Design Space not opening. Run Task Manager. Step 1, right-click on the toolbar and click Task Manager. Step 2, scroll down and locate Cricut Design Space. Step 3, right-click on Cricut Design Space and select End Task. Step 4, click on Cricut Design Space and see if it opens up. Restart computer. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button and click the power icon. Step 2, click Restart and wait for the system to restart. Step 3, once the system turns back on, try to open Cricut Design Space and see if it works. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.